You're staring at a stack of receipts, ready to submit your expense report, and you're thinking, finally, I'm getting reimbursed. But then, bam! You get that dreaded non-reimbursable notification. Ever wondered what those mystery expenses are that Expensify, or any expense management system, just won't touch? You're not alone. Let's dive into the world of non-reimbursable expenses, because understanding them can save you a ton of headaches and keep your finances, and your companies, in check. First off, it's crucial to understand that non-reimbursable expenses aren't some arbitrary list. They're usually dictated by your company's specific policies. Think of it as the rulebook of spending. Every company has one, and it's designed to control costs and ensure responsible spending. So, what commonly falls into this category? Let's start with personal expenses. This one's a no-brainer, but it's surprising how often it pops up. Things like your daily coffee run, your personal shopping spree, or even your streaming service subscriptions. Yeah, those are definitely staying in your own pocket. Expensify is built for business, not personal leisure. Next, we have expenses exceeding company limits. Most companies set spending limits for specific categories. For example, a per-day meal allowance or a cap on hotel stays. If you decide to splurge on a 5-star suite or order the most expensive dish on the menu, exceeding those limits will likely land you in the non-reimbursable zone. It's all about sticking to the budget. Then there are expenses without proper documentation. Remember that crumpled receipt you shoved into your pocket? Yeah, that's not going to cut it. Expensify, and most companies, require clear and detailed receipts. Missing information like the vendor's name, date, or itemized list can lead to rejection. It's all about accountability and transparency. Another common culprit? Expenses outside the approved business purpose. If your company's policy is strictly travel-related, and you're submitting expenses for a weekend getaway that's unrelated to work, you're out of luck. Even if you think it's a team-building activity, if it's not pre-approved, it's a no-go. And let's not forget fines and penalties. Parking tickets, late fees, or any other penalties incurred due to negligence are almost always non-reimbursable. Companies aren't going to foot the bill for your mistakes. Now, Expensify is just a tool. It's designed to enforce the policies your company sets. So, if you're seeing a lot of non-reimbursable notifications, it's not Expensify being mean, it's just doing its job. To avoid these issues, the best thing you can do is get familiar with your company's expense policy. Don't just skim it, read it carefully. Ask questions if you're unsure. And when in doubt, just ask your finance team. They're there to help you navigate the world of expense reporting. And remember, accurate, detailed documentation is your best friend. Keep those receipts organized, use Expensify's Smart Scan feature, and double-check your submissions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.